Society6 allows artists from anywhere in the world to upload and sell their original work as 30+ premium consumer goods. It is a very active community and marketplace where talent and quality can definitely be found. At Placeit, you can find mockups that will be super useful if you're looking to show off your art. Let me show you my 3 favorites. Lifestyle t-shirt mockups. Create all kinds of lifestyle images to promote your brand or business online, especially on social media. Find ready-to-use lifestyle images that can provide you with some good storytelling. There are tons of different styles and scenarios, like city views, house environments, schools, sports, work scenarios, vacation, street-style families, gadgets, and so on. Art print mockups. Display your pieces of art in a different way. You can use these beautiful visual assets that were created just to make your artwork stand out with images that will enhance your creation. Just take a look at all the different mockups that were created for you to display your artwork. Poster mockups. If you're designing a poster, you'll want to show your clients a sneak peek on how it would look on their wall. Professional photographers have created all of these mockups, so all the hard work of Photoshop has already been done for you. This way, you just need to focus on uploading your design and downloading the final image. Selling online, it is a must when it comes to putting your work out there, and sites like Society6 allow you to sell just about everything with your designs. Find the link to the template that I used in this video in the description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe.